Away, where the murmur of your heart beats and the melody of your nature are in perfect tune. Where the song of your soul and the chirping of the birds reflect the same thrill. Where the scent of your body and the fragrance of fresh air are in constant harmony. Welcome to Kevadia. Welcome to Gujarat. The pristine land that is making India proud with the world's tallest statue. Statue of Unity. An iconic tourist destination that has brought India on the global tourism map with unparalleled attractions. 150 meters high viewing gallery, valley of flowers, jungle safari, cactus garden, river rafting, and many more. The stunning backdrop of Statue of Unity, Sardar Sarovar Dam, the second biggest concrete gravity dam in the world.
The Statue of Unity is really the structure of engineering feat. Actually, I must say I'm very excited to know more about it.
We arrived here yesterday late in the evening to be greeted by the fantastic sight of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel standing in all his glory. So it's a great moment for every Indian to witness such magnanimous personality in his pure life form.
Another wonder of the region, tent City Narmada, the luxurious nature resort. A close-to-nature experience in proximity to Statue of Unity and Sardar Sarovar Dam. An array of exquisite tents nestling, covered with hills, lakes, wooded areas and fresh air. Spread across an area of 50,000 square meters, Tent City Narmada was inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in 2018. 200 AC tents with exciting accommodation options, modern amenities and all-weather infrastructure. Exquisite hospitality to add to the charm, room decor and services, delectable cuisines by a 5-star hotel chain, professional and humble staff, and a wide array of entertainment and cultural programs. More than a tourist destination, Tent City Narmada is fast emerging as the world-class conference center.
The conference room which we have over here has hosted a great event for all the 400 plus OTs present over here. So I feel it's a great experience for all the civil service OTs to be present over here and also to enjoy the wonderful city of Gujarat. So Gujarat has been very kind to all of us and we hope to visit here again.
The venue with a difference for a relaxed corporate event format. The most comprehensive infrastructure with an ongoing commitment to high-end quality. 3 well-appointed conference halls with a capacity to host 100 to 1,000 guests for conference, training workshops and corporate events. A wide range of seating arrangement facilities. In-house event experts to transform your event into a resounding success. Excellent tented accommodation facilities and delicious meals to add to the ambience.
A lot of thought and efforts have been put in making all these arrangements for us.
The rooms are extremely well furnished and we've got great facilities. The organizers have taken an extreme care and courteous hospitality of all of us.
The stay has pretty much been made very convenient and very much cozy. I was surprised how things has been made. However, this seems to be more comfortable than any permanent basis arrangement. Apart from that, the food is very nice.
Furthermore, serene surrounding to keep participants refreshed and motivated during the event. A track record of successfully organizing large-scale events to vouch for our experience, dedication, creativity, innovative approach, and attention to details. All India Conference of Director Generals, Inspector Generals of Police 2018, All India Power Ministers Conference, Civil Services Officer Trainees Conference, All India Election Commissioners Conference, meeting of National Tourism Advisory Council, and many others.
Especially me as an ISS probationer has a very nice experience over here, living over here right near the Statue of Unity, which represents our civil services. So I think it's a great pleasure for all of us.
Come, let's create a corporate success story together. Let's combine business with leisure. Let's transform the concept of corporate events. With Tent City Narmada, the luxurious nature resort.